it a little like this. You just pour it. And then just swirl it around. It's called neer dosa, which means it's made out of, it's like water dosa because it's so light. You put some oil like that.
You said this one was called what dosa?
Neer dosa.
What's the other one called?
Neer in Kannada means water.
What's the other one called?
The other one is called just plain dosa.
Oh.
You see that thing about non-stick pans? Which you just like slide off like that. And then you flip it.
Cute.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Vlogmas Day 20. Only 5 more freaking days till Christmas. This is crazy. I cannot believe I've made it this far into Vlogmas, but I am so proud of myself. I just wanted to start the vlog off here. Not really sure what I'm going to be doing. This morning, my dad made me some dosas, and they were so good. Like, so freaking good. I don't know if I've ever had that kind of a dosa. Like he explained, it was like a rice kind of dosa. I'm definitely gonna have to learn how to make that when I get home. But I think we're gonna go grocery shopping. He said he has some stuff he needs to pick up at Whole Foods, Indian stores and all that. Not sure if I'm gonna vlog with this camera in there. Maybe I'll just take some iPhone clips. We're gonna go head into Patel Brothers. It's an Indian grocery store. It's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Okay, how do you pick the best ginger?
See this? You can get the big ball, you know, like that.
So you cut off all of that?
No, you cut off like some of this, but you can still
peel it.
These small ones you can take off.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that's a good one.
Best juice ever. Mango juice. And mini ones, how cute. Jalebi used to be my sister's favorite, and I used to like barfi. Like this stuff. Don't ask me why, but when my mom used to make this moong dal, I would call it poo-poo platter.
From Mangalore, where my dad is from.
This is so good. Love that. Didn't even know this was like a different word, but I guess it's just different textures or something. This used to be my shit. I would like steal pieces of this. So good. It's like a sweet. What is this, Daddy? How would you even explain?
Exactly.
How would you explain it? So weird. It's yummy though. So these are all the pre-packaged spices. You just get the meat and put on the spices, I guess, right? Well, some of them do have like extra things that you have to get, like onions, oil, obviously, other stuff, but for the most part, at least you don't have to mix in the spices. Oh yeah, chops are my favorite. I always ask my dad to make me them.
That are fermented in vinegar, different spices.
And you just put it
and then bottle
in curry, like, or
no, you just
on
eat
rice.
it with like dal on a side.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Like a relish.
It's kind of like sour cream in a taco bowl or something. Maggi sauce is very popular. Best thing to dip your samosas in. Probably top 3 favorite Indian dessert, gulab jamun. They're like a cake ball kind of thing, but soaked in sugar syrup. The other day, my mom gave me a salad in a tin bowl, and I was like, do only Indians use tin bowls? Because when I would go to visit my grandma in India, and honestly even California, they used to bathe me with these little buckets.
Vegetables, a little like rasam, yogurt, everything, and then rice and something.
I was just thinking this plate would be perfect for Thanksgiving. The best part about Indian food is all of the, you know, bread, I guess. So there's naan, parota. Look at this naan. Look how big that is. That's freaking insane. I wish I had a big freezer because I just have a stock of garlic naan and all of these little samosas, like ready to eat. This place is freaking massive. I've literally never been in a bigger Indian store, but they have so many like ready to eat things, which is great.
But it's made, if you take this out, you'll see they're made out of clay pots.
They had those at Zyka's, but it would be mango, right? Wow. Fancy.
We are finally home from shopping. They put it all in boxes because there was so much stuff that he got, but he did like a big stock. It's 3:44 and I'm actually currently editing a TikTok on my computer in Final Cut Pro because I sometimes like to film with my camera instead of my phone for TikTok. I just love how the quality looks on TikTok and I feel like it just really makes me stand out. So I'm doing a Dyson Airwrap TikTok. I feel like a lot of my hair videos go viral, so cross our fingers that this one does too. But I wanted to show you guys this thing that I bought at the Indian store. I've been having a lot of trouble with my skin because it's getting like patchy and really uneven, especially just being here in Georgia and it being super cold, and I don't know, it's just not amazing for my skin. So let's see what this even looks like. Oh, okay, I was not expecting this. Basically, this is a turmeric skin cream. It's an Ayurvedic medicine and it looks like this. Let me get it in focus. Sorry about my nails. I like really want to do them today. It says it prevents and cures skin infections, inflammation, blemishes, wounds, and other skin disorders. It soothes boils, pimples, acne, and burns. It nourishes the skin, improves the tonal value, and makes it fair and beautiful. Hopefully this will help with like my patchiness, just because I've heard turmeric is really good. If you guys have seen Bollywood movies where they get married, there's like a day, I think it's like the day that they get henna, or maybe this is another day, but basically they cover the bride in turmeric because it just gives a nice look. Like I think it's like an all over even look. I'm 80% sure that's what it is. So I'm excited to use this. I'll use it tonight, maybe whenever I take my makeup off. Okay, I just looked outside and there is an actual sunset for the first time in too long here in Georgia. So I'm gonna go downstairs and check it out.
Oh, hey, doggy. Oh. I don't know if you can tell, but there is sun, finally. There's blue skies. This is crazy. So pretty. I'm really jealous of those kids playing on the trampoline over there. When I got home, I saw that trampoline and I literally thought it was in our backyard. I was gonna like scream if it was, because I freaking love trampolines, but look at how freaking pretty. You really can't tell, but it's so pretty and I'm glad I'm outside. Sometimes I'm just like working on my computer a lot and I never can enjoy being outside. I want to get my content done and finished with, you know, and then I feel like I can play. Me and my dad were actually just talking about how whenever I was younger, I would come home from school, go straight up to my room and get my homework done before like playing, and I was weird about like playing with like other kids. Also, I didn't really have like any other neighbors that were my age to play with, but anyways, I would never really invite my friends over or like have play dates on weekdays because I was just like, it's school day, like it's gonna like throw me off. I just always like to get my stuff done ASAP because I just feel like it weighs down on me, and then I like think about it while I'm just out having fun, you know? But then sometimes that means I don't get to enjoy the sun, especially during the winter when it sets so early. Today my dad is making Kerela Chicken Curry and I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Well, he's gonna show you.
See this? Mm-hmm. And then I make like
small cuts.
Yeah, to get the spices into the chicken as you eat it. Tastes a little bit better. Turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons. Usually I put chili powder, but I don't today because you don't like it spicy.
Yes. Oh wow. Okay. A lot of salt. Set aside for 15 to 20 minutes.
I got a package from Kalia by Carrie Underwood. It's her fitness line. I got a ooh, it's a present. Let's see. Got this cute sports bra, leather leggings. Cool, right?
Yeah, it's autographed.